Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Summary. In this chapter, we encountered the Enigma, which was an electromechanical rotor machine consisting of a keyboard, a plug board, rotors and light bulbs. One of the great strengths of the Enigma was the turning rotors, which changed the substitution alphabet after each letter. The rules for the key construction, however, became a great weakness of the Enigma. In the end, British cryptanalysts and in particular Alan Turing were able to break the code of the Enigma by first of all reducing the key space. The involution caused by the reflector became an essential point of attack. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.